So for this light is the engine temperature light. So normally the engine, when you drive it, needs to get up to an operating temperature. That's why you want to drive your car for a certain amount of time before you turn it off. You'll hear enthusiasts probably get at you if you drive it for only a minute. But you're supposed to maybe drive it for 5 to 10 minutes at least to get your engine operating at the normal temperature. So when this happens, your temperature is most likely operating at a higher than normal temperature, and you should get it checked out right away. Probably try to pull over to the road, turn it off, and see if there's a leak for maybe coolant or antifreeze. Again, if you guys are doing this, I would advise extra caution, because when you turn the cap for the antifreeze, there could be a lot of steam coming out. So if you're not sure what to do, contact your local mechanic. So if you see this light, normally it means that you're probably already slipping. That's why it will blink. Generally, you want to have this on when you guys are driving in slippery conditions such as wet rain or snow. It detects if one wheel is spinning faster than the other, it assumes that you're slipping. And so it will engage the brakes to make sure all wheels are spinning at the same speed, to make sure that you are back on the road driving the same speed on all 4 wheels. Now, some of this you might need to pay attention to, because sometimes this does not apply to all scenarios, such as if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle and you're stuck in a snowbank, you might want to turn this off to give you that extra speed. Because winter is coming, be sure to keep an eye out for the traction control light on your dashboard.